Hey guys, welcome back to Crossroad Garage. So, I apologize, things have been a little bit hectic around here. You know, I was looking at my hair, it's all crazy today. Anyway, yeah, I gotta clean up the shop. I mean, it's in bad shape. Had so much going on with the review. I hope you guys went and watched that. I apologize that it's not content that you want on the Willies and stuff. Daddy's trying to get paid here though. So anyway, yeah, I got to clean up around here before we get busy doing anything really. I did pick up a bag full of goodies that I need to get put away in the cabinet over here. So let's start with that. What in the world? WD-40 doesn't go up there. I don't know who did that. See what I mean? Everything's just kind of been a mess. So I got some more penetrate. Got some Croyle. Now Croyle has this penetrant, whatever. I don't know if it's supposed to be different from the oil that creeps, loosens, whatever. Anyway, it's creepy oil. Creepy. And of course, got the old standby. I picked up some more PB Blaster because I was out of PB Blaster. I can't remember the last time I was out of PB Blaster. So one of the guys at Supply Shop gave this to me to try out. It's a rust buster. I don't know. He knows I buy PB Blast all the time, so he thought he was like, there you go. So anyway, got that. Got some other stuff. I don't have room for that. Stick it up there. So now we're getting fully stocked back up on our penetrants again. Penetrants? Is that the word I'm looking for? I don't know. Maybe. So anyway, let's go over and see what's going on. What? Pistons down here. What's going on, buddy? You gonna say hi to the camera today? Anyway, grab my coffee. I'm so bad with these selfie sticks, probably making y'all dizzy. So I have decided that I tried using this welding helmet. I really did, and you know the problem is that the screen is only right there. And the one on mine is much bigger. So I was having a hard time seeing what I was doing. So I'm still going to give that away. If you don't want to weld with it, that's fine. We'll give it away at some point. We'll figure out something. If you guys have any ideas on how you want me to give it away, drop her down in the comments. Shoot me over a message, whatever you want to do. So when we last left off, we had a completely rebuilt rear end. Completely rebuilt drive shaft, and we got shock mounts up there, and we want to get started down here and over in this area. You know, we want to get these mounts straightened out. Same on this side. We want to get the rear end shoved back up into place. And I may go ahead and pull this cross member out because that paint didn't really stick all that well anyway. I may repaint that real quick. Why not? My theory is if you're down this far, just go ahead and do it. I mean, it's literally putting a jack under there, pulling that out. It's 4 bolts, pulling it out. We'll repaint it. And then what I'd like to get to is unhooking the motor from the transmission. I want to leave the transmission in place if possible. Shouldn't be a problem. But I want to get the motor, everything out. You know, radiator, all this garb. It's just got to go. I mean, look at all these leaves in here. Oh, look, there's PB Blaster. Buried in the leaves. Anyway, so we'll go ahead and we'll get this motor pulled out. We're gonna, I don't know if we're gonna leave the transmission or not. We're gonna figure that out. We may pull the whole ordeal. I'll probably leave, I don't know. Guys, I don't know yet. I just don't know. It might be easier to hook that, you know what, I'm probably just gonna pull the transmission. That way I've got a clear front, completely clear. And it's gonna be easier to slap that transmission onto that engine while it's out of there. And look how small this transmission is, guys. This is a baby. So this is a baby transmission, probably doesn't weigh much. So we might be able to manhandle that onto the new motor once we get to that point and just slap the whole thing back in. It's probably gonna be the way to go. I'll probably just get the rear end back into place and tie the drive shaft up. Sound like a good idea? Let's get all this out of here. And then there's no reason for me not to repaint that cross member. So anyway, but yeah, it's late tonight, and I wanted to get a little something done. It's late. I just wanted to get a plan together for this video. I wanted to kind of come down and start to clean up the garage a little bit, and hopefully things. Oh, got a loose plug. Dang on it. All right. Anyway, just get a plan together to, you know, move forward. Let me clean this all up, and we'll get cranking on some stuff. Got all kinds of leaves blowing in here, sleeping up my garage. Ah! Why is it WD-40 here? I just bought WD-40. This is getting ridiculous. I need to start paying attention to what I do with stuff. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I did not get real far on cleaning the garage. Having a hard time waking up today. Last night we went to this place called Terror Town, and yeah, it was it's a whole haunted town. It was a lot of fun. They warned us, sorry, I'm a little, what do you call it? Frog. I got a frog in my throat. Ribbit. Anyway, they warned us about spirits following us home, but I don't believe in all that. So today, daggone. Anyway, today, what I'd like to focus on is I want to get the rear end back into position real quick. And I want to check, because I got thinking about it, and I want this thing to sit low when I pull it up and park it. And so what I want to check is where the body is going to sit in reference to where it's all the way down. So I'm slowing down just a little bit because I want to make sure things are right, you know. Hey, Piston. Anyway, so that's what we're going to be starting out with. I'm going to get a couple things together, and then after that, we'll you know, we'll see what's going on. Cinnamon. What I want to check out first is I want to see where our body mounts are in relation to where the bottom of the body is, which I believe I checked this before. I think it was like 8 inches. Hi, Piston. What's up, buddy? So we're actually like 7.5 inches, which is fine. 7.5, 8 inches. But we also have to account for these body mounts that I have over here. So we were going off this body mount right here. These are 3/4 of an inch. which is, we were what did I say, 7.5, so we're 8 1/4. So we're just gonna say we're 8. All right, we're just gonna say 8, make it easy. So I'm gonna get myself and I'm actually gonna do it back here, since the rear end's back here. I'm gonna get myself a piece of metal at 8 inches, or maybe a nut, or I don't know, whatever, something to drop in here, and I want to see where we're sitting once I get this rear end back into position. Does that make sense to you? Hopefully it does. All right, guys, so I have this piece of rod in here, which is representing about where the bottom of the body is going to sit. Just below halfway on this tire. Now, that's going to leave our fender well up here, which is just below the top of the tire. Now, I don't know about you guys, but we have to remember, so this front end, we're getting rid of these leaf springs and everything. This front end's going to drop quite a bit. I mean, it's going to drop a lot. So I gotta say, I'm not happy. So because our front end is actually going to be, I would say our tires are coming up probably 12 inches. It's going to drop the front end about 12 inches when we go to do the swap for the independent front suspension. And I hate this. I do. I hate this, but I'm glad, because I got the researching on the front end, doing a little bleebity bobbity research on it, and the thing about it is, I'm just not going to be happy with it. In conclusion, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to C-notch this. Now I've got some stock over there I think will work just fine. That's 2 inches. A little over 4. Let's see what I got here. Yeah, so I got this big hefty piece of stock here. It's a 2 inch thick. I believe it's a 1/4 inch tube or wall. Yeah, 1/4 inch, 2 inch thick, 1/4 inch wall. Man, that's heavy. But I think what we're going to do is I think we're going to C-notch this. We're going to make I got to make some templates and stuff like that. But I'm going to get busy on that for the video that I'm going to try and kick out on. It looks like they're coming out either Wednesdays or Thursdays, all depending on how much time I have. So I like to try and work till Wednesday, which gives me Wednesday to edit it, and it'll post on Thursday. So next video we will be C-notching. Sorry this was a short one, but this was just kind of for fun anyway. The Halloween Spooktacular, I'm calling it. So hope you all enjoyed, and I don't know, I'll catch you on the next one. Y'all say awesome. By the way, my last few videos have gotten a ton of views. I really appreciate it. I picked up quite a few, what do you call them? People who subscribe. By the way, do that. Hit the subscribe. I'm going to throw it right here. And you can follow me on, let's see, is it TikTok, Instagram? Over here you can email me, CrossThreadGarage21 for all that stuff. So yeah, keep in touch with me. Again, if you want a sticker, shoot me a message. I dropped a bunch at the door yesterday at Terrortown, so hopefully that'll pan out to something. Anyway, listen, on a serious note, y'all stay awesome, really. Treat people with respect out there, and enjoy this holiday season. this holiday season always kicks off right, in my opinion, with Halloween. Love Halloween. Gonna miss the fact the kids aren't here this year, but that's something that's completely out of my control. If it was in my control, they'd be here. We'd be Halloween costume shopping right now instead of recording this. Anyway, stay awesome, guys. I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.